So guys, Helium 10 tools. There are 12 tools here on the site. They're on the left as well. I'm going to go through each today. And there is the extension, which has 5 more tools that I'm going to tell you about today as well. So let's start from Amazon Black Box. That's the first tool we have. Alright, and here we pretty much have a research tool, guys, as you've probably been taught in the course you made or something like that. Or if you haven't yet, then I'm going to show you like basic method of research. Right, say we're just going to be looking for products that generate this and that sums with maybe maximum price of $25 with a minimum of 20 with some review count maximum and maybe standard size. Our review rating can be maybe 4.5 maximum, whatever. There are many more things, guys, as each one of you chooses to research, and we have pretty much set some stuff. Maybe we wanna be like maximum of 5,000 BSR, let's say, right? And we're gonna search by these criteria that we have put in, and we're gonna get the results, guys, of the stuff that we were just searching for. And there's a lot of stuff, guys, like maybe good products, bad products, but let's try this one. All right, so there's Mcona large airplane frame hanging airplane holder. All right, so we can work with this one today. All right, we're gonna try working with the I'm not sure what is an airplane holder, but let's try working with this. All right, so that's the black box, guys. You're gonna find products, you're gonna open them, see what they're all about, like we're gonna do today, and research accordingly. Right. Number 2 is Trendster, guys. Trendster shows you the trend for the specific ASIN, alright, specific product you're looking for, and the keywords that's associated with it. So let's take this one, this product, right? That's the ASIN, right, of this product, and we're gonna take the main keyword. I believe it's large airplane. I don't know, maybe hanging airplane holder or airplane holder. I believe. I'm not sure what is an airplane, but that's a plant that grows in the air, right, guys? I mean. And we're gonna see the trends in a year, right, on Keepa and on Google Trends. So, all right, interesting. That's a product that has recently became popular, as you can see. It hasn't been that much during the year, but something caused the spike, just like right now. So, if anybody's looking for products, maybe you should check into this one. And we can see the BSR actually, yeah, it was pretty good during the Christmas. It dropped down after this. I mean, it went up. This pretty much shows you the stuff in one place, but you should check Google Trends for statistics from 2004, guys, so you can look 15 years backwards. That's crazy, right? So the next one is Magnet, guys. Magnet is a keyword research tool, right? So let's say our keyword was airplane holder. We can find relevant keywords to airplane holder and see what the niche is all about. We can also see once it starts finish loading, I'm going to show you guys the top products in this niche. Right, we have a few that the magnet suggests us, all right, and the total keywords that this phrase appears at, the airplane holder, all right, and we can see it by we can check it by search volume, all right. There's the keyword wall decor, all right. I'm not sure if that's it's related to this because that's wall decor, right, but it's not exactly keywords. So there's a huge list, guys, and you can always narrow it down, you know, when you're conducting your research. So let's say we actually want airplane to appear, so there's like show phrases that contain airplane, right? So it's gonna be narrowed down to, let's see, it was 3,000 keywords. It's 53 keywords, guys, right? So that pretty much narrowed it down. So we can see airplane, airplane terminal, airplane holder, airplane holders. You see it's small keywords, right? We can search again to find the bigger ones, right? So that's magnet, guys. So Cerebro, now I'm going to show you Cerebro, which is number 4 on our list. And Cerebro is really interesting. We're going to take an ASIN, all right, this one that we're speaking about. We're going to put it here, and what we're going to see, all right, is where this guy appeared at, all right. Where does this ASIN appear at which positions, at which page, all right. And look at this. We have this guy appearing in 1,920 filtered keywords. I mean, he's ranking in these in that amount, so that's pretty much a lot, right? And we want to get the good keywords out of this guy, right? So we can see Amazon's choice for this product and for other products that are you know, sort of connected to this one. And we're going to see our keywords narrowed, right? So that means there are less keywords now that we're looking at, because having Amazon's choice on the keyword is probably showing that the keyword is pretty good, that it has some traffic, right? It should be organic, right? We don't want to see sponsor rank like the PPC stuff. And wanna check the word count. Maybe you want it to be 3 words maximum, right? Like airplane and one extra word, right? Whatever you like. Or show phrases that contain, let's say, one airplane, right? Or something like this. Let's show airplane, right? Let's see. And then we're gonna narrow our look at this. Oh, total of 7 keywords that are airplane, right? And well, we have pretty much been really strong on them, but let them have all these, all right? And then what we can do with this, right, with those filter keywords, what we can do with that if we have decided that this is good for us, right, the narrowed keyword research through Cerebro, we can export it to Frankenstein, which is number 5 here. And what Frankenstein does is, you're going to see it appearing here now, all the keywords. Right, we have the keywords on the left, which sums up a total of 3,784 words and that much characters, right? And we want to narrow it down a bit, guys. We can't actually protect numbers, all right? And then from all these words, it only sums up 187 words. We get a good word frequency, so then it looks a bit more. So you see, guys, it appears the word wall, plants, hanging shelf, air, planner, indoor, succulent, for decor, these appear a lot, all right, in that listing, all right, the keywords we have pulled out, right? So that means that these might be good for building our listing, right? We can narrow it down even more, which I will be showing in my next videos how to use Cerebro to really narrow down your keyword research, and that's really amazing, guys. You'll love it, and I'm going to be showing you more good tutorials. But today I'm just showing you how it works. Right, and from we've gotten all these keywords, right? We have them for us for building our listing. Now what we do then, we go to Scribbles. All right, Scribbles is a listing optimizer. All right, and Scribbles is going to show you it's going to show you all your listing, title, bullets, subject matters from deep inside, description, search terms, how many characters are there, how many words, and how many bytes of sort of of data you should of words, or how do I say that, you should put in. All right, so let's say we have the bullet point, this is the first one, and we see the bytes, the characters, right? It's really important. You can ignore it as well if you want longer bullets, but Helium 10 suggests 100 characters per bullet, guys. And think about it right now, if you're watching this video, how many do you have? And the title is still 200, all right? Now, we can add the phrases we have used, actually, from Frankenstein, right? We go to Scribbles. I'm going to close this Scribbles. And we're back to Scribbles with all of these keywords that we have, all right? And we can apply that, and we're going to see which words are on the left, right? All the phrases and the words. And what we can do is see wall, plant, plants, and we write plants, and we're gonna see that it disappeared on the left. That means here you can see the words that you need to input, and here you actually input them in your title, in your bullets. So let's say hanging plant with a wooden wire. All right, and we can see that it disappeared. And if I use wire again, it's going to show that it's being used 2 times, right? And again, with the next videos I'm going to show you exactly how many you need, like how many times do you need to have plant in your listing, the keyword density and stuff like that, guys. Gonna be really interesting. So that's Scribbles, guys, and that way you build your listing, and you get it to perfection. The next one is Index Checker, right? So what is Index Checker? We can take this ASIN, and we can put it here, and we can see if this ASIN is being ranked for airplane, or actually indexed for, let's say, airplane holder again, right? We input it here, and we didn't input the seller ID, so that might not show the storefront one, but it shows you indexation, right? It shows that it's indexed through all the tests that Helium 10 takes, besides the storefront, because I believe we didn't put the seller ID in here, and then it would work, I believe. All right, the next tool is Keyword Tracker, guys. The Index Checker, I believe, was pretty straightforward. You just input many keywords, phrases, and stuff you have to check if you're indexed for a listing, right? You should do that regularly because sometimes you just fall out of index. Keyword tracker, guys, you can check the positions of your keywords that are being tracked, and you have my products here that are being tracked, and it just shows you where you're ranking, how many keywords you're checking, and what the actions you want to take, right? So that's for easily looking for the keywords you're following, and to see sort of comfortably in one place where you're ranking. Next one is alerts, guys. Alerts shows you hijackers, right? It shows you whether you have a hijacker on a specific listing or you do not. Hijackers are, it means that other sellers get into your listing and sell from the same listing, which is a pretty strange thing on Amazon, but it can happen, and that's called hijacking. And yeah, and then it's going to show you that, well, if you have it on, all right, for a specific product, then yeah, it's going to show you if somebody's on listing as well. Inventory protector, guys. If you're making some sorts of giveaways, this tool can help you protect your inventory. But you can do that on the Seller Central as well. But you sort of block the amount of units that can be given away or bought in the same time, sort of thing, and that protects your inventory. Next one is Refund Genie, guys. This is a nice software if you're selling for a while now, because Amazon loses inventory on a regular basis. That's how many coats used to say. I'm not sure if he's still using that in his podcast, but yeah, guys. And then they just Amazon does the Helium does the hard work for you, and they just show you how much money Amazon owes you, and they help you get it back. So that's amazing, guys. Misspellinator. I didn't pronounce it well, but let's take the airplane holder. All right, let's take the word holder. All right, basically what's going to happen is Misspellinator is going to show you what are the misspellings that are usually being sort of misspelled while typing holder, let's say. And well, for some reason there are none. Why so? Oh, there it is. It's finished now. Right now, it didn't. Yeah. So hodler. I'm not sure if that's. But look, guys, Amazon does not autocorrect that. So if you're gonna be ranking for airplane hodler, right, and somebody's gonna accidentally type it there, you can rank there, and maybe you're gonna be on page 1. Why not? And if it says yes, that means Amazon autocorrects, and then you should not use the spelling mistake in your listing. You can use them in the back end, in your bullets, in your description, wherever you want. Yeah, guys, these were the 12 tools that there are in Helium 10. Now let's see the Chrome extension, guys. So let's go to this product, all right? And we're going to use the Chrome extension here. So this is the airplane holder, right? We want to open an Amazon tab and find airplane holder, right? So that's the page 1 for airplane holder. Let's see the BSRs here. Oh, not too bad. Well, it shows you all sorts of different how to say characteristics near this ASINs, but let's start from the beginning. So once you're on a page with a keyword on Amazon, you can do two things. X-ray, which is gonna show you all the sort of data on the page, on this page. This is page 1, for all the products that are there, how many sales they're making, what fees are they paying, what's their price, what are their sales per month, what's the revenue, and the BSRs. So if you want to be checking, I'm not sure how you were taught to research, but you can check like BSRs on page 1. All right, you can see sorts of what the BSR is, what's the lowest BSR, what's the highest BSR, and it's still loading, guys. There's the average BSR, prices, average reviews, the revenue, the average revenue for this product, the total revenue. That's not the super product, but some people are making some money here. Sure, the BSRs are not that bad. Well, maybe you can look into that. That's not the best option, but average reviews 95. That's pretty good. That's not like 800 or 500, right? So that's pretty much what it shows you, right? Many things that you can compare, and then there are more results to load if you want. Other listings, right? That's X-Ray. It's pretty much compared to Unicorn Smasher, maybe if you're familiar, but the one by Helium is pretty good as well. FBA price, FBA fees, buy boxes, who has it, a lot of good information, guys. Now, Ace Engraver, wait, it's pretty much stuck. Right, let's go back. Oh, perfect. All right, so yeah, we're back to the main page. All right, so now we can grab an ASIN. All right, let's say we go into this one. All right, Mukano Airplane. That was pretty much the same product we were looking at before, right? What we can do once we're on the product page, we go here, all right, and we have Profitability Calculator. We can see, right, how much money is according to Helium 10, this product is making per month. What's his ROI? What's his margin? What's his estimated manufacturing costs? I'm not sure how they calculated that, but they do that somehow. The referral fees, the FBA fees, it's like the calculated by Amazon, but it's much better because you can see it more in depth here. And the dimensions, you can also calculate your own, all right, to compare them with him, right? And that's really nice. That's Profitability Calculator, guys. And then there's inventory level. It doesn't really work well all the time, but you can see how many units he has in stock. Sometimes it's an FBA seller, like Mukano. Oh, you see he has it like limited, so you can't really see that. It depends on the listing, guys. Depends on the seller. Sometimes you can see the amount of products they have. Sometimes you cannot. Now, guys, another crazy tool here. It's a killer, guys. It's crucial for product research. It's review downloader. What does it mean? We can see on this is 74 reviews, right? We want to see all the 1-star reviews here, guys, right? We want to see the 2 stars, the bad reviews, right? And the verified purchaser, right? And you can see the ones with the images, with the videos. If you want to see what broke, maybe there's a problem with breakage with videos or images, you can see the problem with images. But we're not going to do that now. We're going to extract and see the keywords, the reviews that are bad. And well, we have all the 2 stars, and you can go through them. If you're getting into this niche, you can check all these and see why they're not good, right? Holes aren't small enough for my airplanes, so maybe we can make bigger holes, right? Just as an example. Now, analysis, all right? It shows us the keywords that are being used there. So the airplanes, smaller planes, it looks like. Well, you can't really understand much here, but sometimes a phrase like breaks a lot or the handle breaks a lot, right? It can appear like 20 times, and it's like the most common problem. So then you can say like, all right, so I can make the handle better, all right, guys? So this one was the review downloader, guys. And that's pretty much, that's pretty much Helium 10. There are many more things on the, let's get inside the software. In the software, there are on the site itself, on Helium, the free stuff. They have gems. These are the URLs you can use for ranking your products. Guys, please check out Helium 10. It's really nice. I hope you like this basic guide and basic way of showing you this awesome software. And I hope you find it valuable. And guys, I'm going to be making many more of these. Like, I'm going to go in depth on how to use Cerebro, how to use Magnet, how to use Scribbles. These are the crucial things that I use for my listing optimizations. And it works well, guys. So thank you for listening here. Thank you for watching the video today, guys. This was Helium 10, the software that has everything inside. And please consider using it. There's a free version. You can try the free trial, check out the things. If you ever want to extend it, there's a coupon right here, a 50% off coupon that is going to be giving you your first month 50% off, so that's pretty nice. And there's a 10% off coupon that will just continue working each month, and you'll get 10% off. You can check for other codes from other people. There are some bigger ones. These are the ones I can get now. Maybe when it gets better, I'll give deeper discounts. So that depends on me and you guys. So thank you for watching. Please like this video if you've liked it. Please, it's helping you with engagement. This way I also see if you actually like it or not. And comment, let me know. This also helps. And subscribe, please. It's super awesome when you do that. Guys, see you in my next one.